All right, good morning and happy Father's Day. Out here at the 50-yard line again, and today I'm going to be shooting the Cicada challenge that's been going around. This will be my first attempt at it. I only printed one target of it here this morning before I came out, and I decided to bring the Savage Anschutz Match 64 out, topped off with a period correct Redfield 3214 power, very fine crosshair scope. And shooting some SK Standard Plus here this morning, so let's go ahead and give her a rip. We got one in. I shot a couple sighters off camera here just before this, so I'm just going for it now. That second roll, those targets got really small really quick. Those are probably half the size of the first roll. I pulled that one out, I felt it. Wow. The wind is changing up on me a little bit here, but I think that was me as well. Okay. Not very good. Getting a lot of wings. Two more. I think that was a miss. Last shot. I might have got that one. All right, well, there it is. We'll score it up and share it with you all later.